Today's adventure brings us to SkyLand Ranch in Sevierville, Tennessee. We're gonna get on the Wild Stallion Mountain Coaster. This is the longest mountain coaster in the Southeast. So saddle up as we bring you on the entire ride and I speed the footage on the way up to the top. We're almost to the top. Here we go, Hannah. Are you excited?
Yeah.
You said go very, very slow, right?
No, as fast as you can.
Oh, fast as I can. Okay, fast as we can. Oh, Hannah! Whoa!
Oh my goodness! You're just so fast!
Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Oh my goodness, too fast for me!
Too fast!
Oh my goodness!
Whoa!
Slow down,
There we
slow
go.
down.
Woo! Oh, this part's fun. Here we go, downhill.
Woo!
Whoa!
Slow down.
Oh, it forced me to slow down. So there is the first section, and now we're gonna head back up the mountain. Getting some great views of the Smokies. I love this. All right, we're almost to the top. Here we go. Picking up speed. Whoa! Whoa, whoa, this part is awesome. Whoa. There we go.
Oh my goodness.
Whoa, whoa, Hannah. All right, we're coming up to one of my favorite parts. Right around here, there's a big dip.
Goodness.
This part's awesome. Ready? Here we go. Whoa! Here's the drop. Woo! That's awesome. And around the circle. Whoa! Whoa! Here we go. Last circle. Oh, coming in for a landing. Slow down. And there is the Wild Stallion Mountain Coaster at SkyLand Ranch. Well, Hannah, how was it?
Really fun. I really liked it.
Would you do it again?
Yes.
Super smooth, very long, great little mountain coaster here in Sevierville. Definitely recommend taking a ride on the Wild Stallion. If you'd like to know more about SkyLand Ranch, check out our full tour video in the description of this video. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next adventure.